In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a balance sheet in Xero. Whether you're managing a business or just keeping your own financial records organized, Xero is a fantastic tool that lets you easily generate thorough financial reports. So, let's get started on creating your balance sheet. The first thing you need to do is open the Xero website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the dashboard. What you're looking for there is the reporting section. You'll see there's a wide variety of reports you can generate, but today we're focusing specifically on the balance sheet. Once you've found the reporting section, click on it and then look for and select the balance sheet option. This will bring you to a new page where all the magic happens. Right at the top, you'll notice there's a field to select the date for your balance sheet. The date is crucial because it determines the snapshot of your finances that you'll view, so decide which specific date or period you want to cover. If you want a current report, for example, you should pick today's date. After you've selected the date, you'll see an option to compare with another date. This is particularly useful if you want to identify trends, compare your current financial standing to last month's position, or assess how your assets and liabilities have changed over time. Just choose the appropriate date you want to compare against. There's also a filter option that comes in handy when you want to focus on specific parts of your financial data. You might want to filter by different things depending on your needs, such as filtering by department, cost center, or any other category that suits your business structure. Feel free to take your time exploring these filters to find just what you need. With all these choices made, your balance sheet is almost ready. Just before you complete the process, Xero gives you the option to either save the balance sheet report or to export it. Saving the report allows you to keep it within your Xero account for future reference, while exporting enables you to download it in a format like PDF or Excel, which can be handy for sharing with stakeholders or keeping secure offline backups. And there you have it. You've created a balance sheet in Xero. Not only will this keep your financials organized, but it also provides a clearer picture of your organization's financial health, helping you make informed decisions. Keep exploring Xero's features, as there's always more to learn and utilize for your accounting needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on utilizing accounting software to its fullest potential.